Hey everybody, so welcome to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing an outdoor gear box called Bespoke Post. Essentially, they are like a subscription service where you pay for a month and you get to pick out a really cool box of awesome gear that you want. It can be anything from liquor to outdoor gear. So you get a wide variety of choices. So I got sent one and I'm going to be reviewing it. So I'm going to do a little bit of a unboxing to show you what I got. So I got an outdoor box because I'm an outdoor person and I just like outdoor gear in general. So let's see what's in here. Okay. The very first thing I see is a little card with some survival tips on it. Okay, that's helpful. Very nice. Then we got reusable ties. Rubber zip ties. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's gonna come in handy. You can definitely get a lot out of zip ties, especially if they're reusable. What else we got? We got a hero clip. So I'm assuming this is something to do with anything really. Just a clip for anything you want. What else we got in here? We also got a blow up seat. So if you want to sit down somewhere and it's uncomfortable, you can fill this up. It's kind of like an air mattress, but for your butt. And then the last thing that we got in here is a knife. Ooh, that looks nice. This is a SOG, S-O-G knife. It's called the Ace outdoor knife. Anti-slip textured handle, includes carry sheath, lifetime warranty. Wow, that's awesome. That's the back of the box. This is what the knife looks like. I'll probably be keeping this in my camera bag. Definitely will come in handy. Almost 9 inches long. That's awesome. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll go use some of this stuff, show you a little bit of details, show you what it looks like, but that's about all it comes with. And like I said, you guys can totally get any other type of box you want. I saw a box that you could get with whiskey in it. You could get a duffel bag. That was pretty cool. Or there's a few other options, but you can definitely check those out. I'll put the links down in the description. And yeah, that's gonna be it from Bespoke Post. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video.